Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best faucet cartridges is probably one of the most overlooked parts of your home, but they're absolutely crucial for a smoothly functioning faucet. These little components are the unsung heroes, controlling everything from water flow to temperature. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of faucet cartridges, exploring different types, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Pfister Avalon Treviso 25mm Cartridge Sub-Assembly. This is a genuine replacement part from Pfister. It's designed to ensure your faucet functions smoothly and efficiently. This cartridge sub-assembly is specifically designed for use with Pfister faucets. It's a perfect fit for your existing setup. The part is sold individually, allowing you to replace only what you need. This offers a convenient and cost-effective solution. This product is made in China, adhering to Pfister's quality standards. It's built to last and provide reliable performance. Pfister, a trusted name since 1910, backs this product with a limited lifetime warranty. This warranty covers both the finish and function of the part for as long as you own your home, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This is a genuine Pfister replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind for as long as you own your home. If you are looking for a long-term solution with the assurance of quality and brand trust, this is the one for you. What people say. The product was a perfect fit and resolved my problem, with a super easy install. It fixed the leak and feels smooth in its operation. It is exact match for the cartridge I needed to replace. I did the replacement and it works perfectly. Number 4. Pfister 974-3210 Pressure Balanced Cartridge. Introducing the Pfister 974-3210, a genuine OEM replacement cartridge. It's designed for 0x8, VB8, JV8, and JX8 valve assemblies. This ensures your shower or tub maintains optimal performance. This cartridge utilizes advanced ceramic disc technology. It's built for reliability and longevity, providing smooth operation. You can count on it for consistent water flow. It includes an adapter for older valve bodies, but it's not needed for newer ones made after 2015. Remember, it's not compatible with the 940-240 acrylic knob. Check the compatibility chart for details. The PermaBalance technology ensures reliable temperature control. It helps prevent those unexpected hot or cold surges. This feature enhances your showering experience. The high-temperature limit stopper prevents scalding. It must be set during installation for safety. This feature provides peace of mind. This cartridge can replace older two-piece models. It's a simple upgrade for improved performance. It's also ASME certified, ensuring quality. What we like. This cartridge features PermaBalance technology, providing reliable temperature control and preventing those annoying hot or cold surges. It's also ASME certified, guaranteeing quality and safety. If you have fluctuating water pressure or want to ensure a consistent and safe shower experience, you should consider this. What people say. The conversion piece worked great and install was very easy. I am very impressed with this cartridge. Not only did they fit precisely with an OEM fit, there were no leaks, as a tip use KY jelly to lubricate all of the O-rings when installing, but literally zero issues with the install as well as post-install operation. Turning that handle on the ceramic disc is just like all of the other handscroll faucets that I put in a house during the renovation. Easy install, worked great replacing my two-piece cartridge 17196-0100G. Number 3. Essential Values Delta Faucet Cartridge #RP50587. Looking for a cost-effective solution for your faucet? This aftermarket cartridge offers unbeatable value. It's engineered to keep your faucets running longer without compromising performance or quality. This tough, clean, and effective replacement fits perfectly for your single-handle faucets. It ensures optimal performance, so you can get back to using your kitchen without any issues. The cartridge features a durable metal and plastic construction, designed to last for years. Installation is simple and hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Comparable to the original Delta Faucet Repair Kit #RP50587, you won't notice the difference. Tested and inspected in the USA, this cost-effective solution gives you more for less. Buy with confidence and add to cart now. You'll be satisfied with the quality and performance of this essential replacement part. What we like. This aftermarket cartridge offers unbeatable value without compromising performance. It's designed for easy, hassle-free installation and built with durable materials to last. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution to keep your faucets running longer, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fixed the constant drip on the faucet. This was less expensive than the OEM part, went in without a hitch, and fixed the issue. Installation went smoothly and it works fine. Number 2. Xuchuan 35mm ceramic faucet cartridge replacement. Is your faucet leaking or not working correctly? This replacement cartridge from Xuchuan is the solution. It's designed to fix those issues and restore your faucet's functionality. This cartridge has a 35mm diameter. Before you order, double-check the size to ensure a perfect fit. Refer to the dimensions picture for detailed measurements. Replacing the cartridge is simple. Just remove the handle, take out the old one, and put the new one in. You can find more detailed instructions in the product description or video. This cartridge is designed for hot and cold single-handle kitchen and basin faucets. It's made of quality ceramic and PPO plastic, and can withstand temperatures up to 95 degrees Celsius. To ensure compatibility, make sure your old cartridge matches this one before you buy. Comparing the size and style will prevent leaks and ensure a proper fit. What we like. This ceramic cartridge is designed to replace leaking or defective faucets, making your fixtures work again. It's easy to install, just remove the handle and replace the old cartridge. If you like a simple and effective solution for your single-handle kitchen or basin faucet, you should consider this. What people say. The faucet cartridges were easy to install. The product works perfectly. The design is great. Number 1. Chicago 1-099 XCabinf and 1-100 XCabinf Cartridge Kit. Is your faucet leaking or not working properly? This cartridge kit is the perfect solution. It's designed to easily replace your old cartridges and restore your faucet's functionality. Installing this kit is straightforward. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and hassle-free replacement. You'll have your faucet working like new in no time. This kit features high-quality ceramic cartridges. They are built to last and provide smooth, reliable operation. You can count on them for years of dependable use. Enjoy the convenience of 1/4-turn operation. This feature allows for quick and easy control of water flow. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. This kit provides separate cartridges for hot and cold water. This ensures precise temperature control and a comfortable experience. It's a complete solution for your faucet needs. What we like. This kit provides a reliable 1/4-turn operation for both hot and cold water control. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a simple and efficient way to upgrade your faucet's functionality, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and functions flawlessly. Easy to install and no more dripping. Very smooth action and zero drips. Thoroughly satisfied. Faucet is restored to new function. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.